Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. The next question, prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x which is equal to 1. So this same as a tan 3x, proof of tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x that we proved, no? Same way this also. So how to prove this one? We can't take here LHS side is equal to RHS side. So first we take the answer, take tan 3x, cot 3x. So now cot 3x we can split it as 3x can be splitted as 2x plus x. 2x plus x, cot 2x plus x. So now use the formula. What is that formula? Cot x plus y. Cot x plus y. So what is the formula of cot x plus y? So using formula, it is cot of x plus y. So cot x plus y, the formula is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x, right? This is the formula of cot x plus y. So now cot 2x plus x. So now cot 3x is equal to, now apply for that. X is what? X is 2x and y is x. So it is cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot y. Y is what? X plus cot x. Cot x is 2x. Right? So now next what we did? So here is a cross multiplication, right? So cot 3x can be written as cot 3x divided by 1. So now cross multiply. So we'll get as equal to. This is equal to, or this cross multiplication, cot 3x into this one. So means here cot 3x into this one. That is cot x plus cot 2x, cot x plus cot 2x, which is equal to 1 into this one. So it is cot 2x into cot x minus 1. So now multiply. So cot 3x into cot x is cot 3x into cot x. Cot 3x into cot x is cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x. Cot 3x into cot 2x, which is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now just rearrange according to your answer. Answer what we need? Cot x cot 2x, cot x cot 2x. So minus cot 2x cot 3x, minus I need, minus cot 3x into cot x I need, minus, and equal to 1, equal to 1 I need. Here is what? Here equal to here minus 1. So means, so bring this minus 1 to this side, then 1 is equal to. So I brought this 1 to that side. So then bring these two terms to this side. So this side is what? Cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x. Right? Is this equal to given answer? Yes, because here 1 is equal to cot x cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x. So therefore or that is just I'll rearrange. It is cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x, which is equal to 1. So therefore LHS are proved, and hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Important for 3 marks. Now next question is prove that tan pi by 4 plus x plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. So now take first LHS side. So LHS side is so what is our LHS side? LHS side is tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. So now see this tan pi by 4 plus x. Do you have formula for this? Yes, this is the formula, right? So tan pi by 4 plus 1 or plus x, what is the formula? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, right? Yes, which is equal to, use the formula tan pi by 4 plus x I gave, right, in formula list. So tan pi by 4 plus 1, the formula is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. The formula is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Correct now? This is your numerator and this one is your denominator. So now tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to, see here, this is numerator and this is denominator. I take this denominator to your numerator. So first I will write numerator. Numerator is what? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into now denominator I take it to numerator. So then 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x changes as what it is? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Right now 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. How I use? First I use the formula. Next denominator part to the numerator means it changes. Now here tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x, that is equal to, see here how to read. Once we will read this, 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, right? So 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x is what it is? 1 plus tan x whole square. A into A is A square. So 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x is 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x whole square. But so what to prove is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. Already you know from your basics it is, suppose it is a square divided by b square. A square divided by b square, that can be written as, how we can write here, a divided by b whole square. Is it right? So a square divided by b square can be written as a divided by b whole square. So now 1 plus tan x square divided by 1 minus tan x square, that can be written as, so now tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. This is equal to, so I can write that as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. It is whole square. Clear now? Why I am writing like this is, see, a square divided by b square is equal to a divided by b whole square. Is it proved LHS side is equal to RHS side? Yes, it is proved. So hence it is proved. So which is equal to, right, RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side and hence it is proved. Hence proved, important for 2 marks. 2 marks or 3 marks important. 3 marks important question. Okay. Yes. The next question, prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2, how much it is? 3 into 180 divided by 2, 2 ones are 290. So 3 into 90 is 270, means what? Cos 270 plus x. If it is 270 plus theta or minus theta, those type of angles are called what? Allied angles. So now which concept to use here? It is allied angle. Here we have to use allied angle. Now cos 3 pi by 2 plus x means cos 270 plus x. You know the value of that 270 plus x. How to get 270 plus x? See, 270 cos changes to sine. So for 90 and 270 cos changes to sine, right? And 270 plus x, which quadrant it is? 4th quadrant, and writing the values, right? Next is cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi means how much? 360. 360 plus x, which quadrant it is? 1st quadrant. Next, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x. Again 3 pi by 2 is how much here? 270. 270 minus x means 3rd quadrant. Plus cot 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x is what? X is 1st quadrant. So now I will take this one. LHS side. LHS side is what? It is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x. Next, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot how much here? 2 pi plus x. We'll simplify one by one by using your allied angle concept. So now first I draw the allied angle. So here is 0, pi by 2 and it is pi, next is 3 pi by 2 and this one is 2 pi, right? 2 pi. So now you know if it is pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, trigonometric sign changes. So trigonometric functions changes. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan to cot and secant to cosecant, right? If it is pi and 2 pi, the trigonometric functions remains as it is. And in first quadrant all functions are positive, second quadrant sine is positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive and fourth is cos and secant are positive. You know this one, right? Yes, one by one we will simplify, which is equal to cos 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2. This cos, is it changes? Yes, it changes. It is what? Sin x. Sin x. Now see the quadrant. 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 is this one. Plus x means the fourth quadrant, right? So now cos in the fourth quadrant. Cos in the fourth quadrant is positive, so plus sin x. Clear? Now next, cos 2 pi plus x. Cos 2 pi. Is this cos changes? No. So it is cos x. Next 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x. Which quadrant it is? First quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. So now next this one. Cot 3 pi by 2. Is it changes? Yes. Cot changes as tan x. Right? Tan x. Next cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant cot is positive. Plus cot 2 pi. Is that cot changes? No. So it is cot x. 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x. Which quadrant? Again first quadrant. First quadrant cot is positive. I need it as equal to 1. How to get 1? See, this is sine and cos. Here tan and cot. So try to change this tan and cot in terms of sine and cos. So which is equal to sine x into cos x. Sine x into cos x. Tan x is what? Sine x divided by cos x plus cot x is what? Cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x, right? Yes, which is equal to sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. Now, sin x divided by cos x plus cos x divided by sin x. So, addition of these two, right? So, now how to add this? Take LCM. So, sin x and cos x, the LCM is cos x into sin x itself, right? Yes. So, now cos and cos get cancelled, sin into sin. You know how to take LCM. It is sin square x plus sin and sin get cancelled, cos x into cos is cos square x. LCM part you know, right? Yes. Now, once we'll read this, otherwise, yes, which is equal to, they are equal to, yes, sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. And inside bracket is what? It is sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x, the identity is 1 divided by cos x into sin x or sin x into cos x. Cos x into sin x. Right? Once we'll read this one. sin x into cos x into 1 divided by cos x into sin x. Can you cancel numerator and denominator? Yes, you can cancel, right? So sin x and sin x cancels, cos x and cos x cancels. So answer is what? 1, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side, and hence it is proved. Hence proved. Important for 2 or 3 marks. 2 or 3 marks important question. Understood now this part, how to take LCM? LCM once I'll explain. Sin x divided by this LCM part. LCM part, a sin x divided by cos x plus cos x divided by sin x. I'll give one simple example on this one. Simple example. So here 1 divided by a plus 2 divided by b. So how to get LCM? So a and b are different variables, right? A and b are different variables. If it is different and if there is no common factor, the LCM is a into b. A into b. Now how to get numerator? Just assume this a and this a cancel. Just assume it. So then b remains. B into 1 is b plus. Now next part. Just b and b assume it cancels. What is left? A. A into 2 is what? It is 2a, right? LCM. Similarly here, sin x divided by cos x plus cos x divided by sin x. So denominator is what? Cos x and sin x. Is there any common factor here? No. So LCM is what? Cos x into sin x itself. Now numerator, how to get? Assume cos x and this cos x get cancelled. What is left here? Sin x. That multiply to here. So sin x into sin x is what? It is sin square x. Sin x into sin x is sin square x plus. Similarly, assume that the sin x and sin x are cancelled. What is left here? Cos x. Cos x into cos x is what? It is cos square x. It is cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x, the identity which is 1. So now next is cancelled. So that LCM part also I explained. So this is important for 2 marks. So I simplified by using allied angles. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.